is, guys, the iPhone SE 2nd generation. This is the cheapest iPhone Apple has ever released. It starts at just $399 for the 64GB version, goes up to $449 if you get the 128GB version, and then up to $549 if you get the 256GB version. What's so awesome about this phone is that it comes with the A13 Bionic processor, which is the same one that comes on the iPhone 11 series. As you can see, this is the product red version. You can also see that the text on the side is also red. As per the usual, Apple has a little pull tab to take the wrapping off. And let's go ahead and slide this out of the box. You get your documentation. Here's your SIM ejector tool. You're going to need this for later. And of course, you get your Apple stickers. Beneath that, we have the iPhone itself. Now, this is a very deep red. This actually looks really nice in person. I'm going to set this to the side for now, and we're going to take a look at what else is in the box. You get your Lightning connector earpods. You get your USB to Lightning connector, and you get a 5-watt charger. Now, this phone does support 18-watt fast charging, but like I said, this is just a 5-watt charger, so if you want the fast charging, which will give you 50% battery life in just 30 minutes, you will need to pay extra to get at least an 18-watt charger. So I set the box aside so we can take a closer look at the phone itself, and the first thing you notice when you pick this thing up is that it is super tiny. In terms of build quality, this is actually a pretty nice phone. This is all aluminum around the sides and glass on the front and back, and it really does feel pretty premium, especially when you think about the price point of $399 for the 64GB version. I'm actually really impressed with how premium this phone feels.